Hi, today I'm going to make Pasque flowers. Very pretty flowers, very easy to make. Materials required are crepe paper in yellow, dark pink or purple, green, a thick wire for stem and green floral tape. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the center, 1.75 by 1.75. Cut one piece. This is of the stamen. This is 3 by 11 centimeters. Cut one piece. This is of the petal. This is 4.5 by 1.5. Base is 1 by 0.75. Cut 6 pieces. And this is of the leaf. This is 4.5 by 5.5. Cut one piece per stem. Take the piece for the center and just make fine cuts on it. Apply glue. Take the thick wire and just wind this. And then twist the top also, so it has that twisted look. Like so. Take the piece for the stamen and first just stretch it and then just fold about 2 mm on one side. Open it. Apply glue. And then fold over again. Now just fold it. And on this also make fine cuts. Like this. So I'll cut the entire length. So now just apply glue. And wind this slightly lower than the top. Like this. So now take a petal, first just curl it, then just stretch the base so it curves out like this, and then take the wire and just the top, just put it like this and just sort of press it so it, it becomes like this on both sides. So I'll just curl that like so. Now just apply glue on the base of the petal. And stick it like this. like so, and I'll stick the other 3 in between the gaps. So this is how the flower would look. Now just take the green tape, just a little bit first, and start from the base of the flower. Covering about 2 to 3 inches of the wire. Now take the piece for the leaf, fold it in half, and cut out shapes like this. So after cutting it, just curl it. Apply glue. And wind it at the base like this. Now take enough tape to cover the rest of the wire. Like so. Now just open the leaves a bit like so. And if you wish, you can always open the petals also. And this is how the flower would look.